All right, so this is an exercise that you can try that I came up with yesterday when you're getting stuck in a negative thought spiral or emotion. It's called drop the anchor of truth and expand. So what you're going to do is you're going to locate that negative feeling or thought in your being, and you're going to allow yourself to move all the way through the arc of that. Feel yourself move all the way through until you come back to some kind of a baseline. Then you're going to locate the opposite thought or feeling signature. If you contain one polarity, you automatically contain the opposite. So locate the opposite and notice the truth in that, right? This is the anchor of truth that this is the thing you actually know is true deep down, outside of the negative emotion and thought. You're going to drop that anchor all the way through the center of your body, all the way down into the earth. And then we're going to start to expand. We're going to start to let that, we dropped that anchor. We're going to let that anchor of truth recode our being. And then we're going to start to enlarge and expand our sense of things, right? That negative emotion and thought is a smaller part of us. So we're going to expand to the size of our human body, expand to the size of the cosmos, feel ourselves plugged into God's source. And as that truth is recoding us and we become large enough to contain this vulnerability, suddenly things move and shift.